So today we will be learning how to fill or refill the foam fire extinguisher on board having CO2 cartridge. As you can see, it is 9 liter, its capacity is 9 liter. So now I have this foam. First of all, you have to open this one. Once you open it, before that make sure the CO2 is properly released and no more pressure in the container. After that, once you open this one, it will open, and then you have to open this lever also, and this system will come out like this. There is one siphon tube and there is other one CO2 cartridge, as you can see inside. So here is one siphon tube and one is the CO2 cartridge. So after that, now we have to see how much foam we need to refill this one. The foam we are using on board is AFF aqueous film forming foam, that is 6%. So for this 6%, this one can is enough for 9 liter foam. So this is 0.54 liter. You will put inside 9 water to make 9 liter. It means you need around 8.4 liter water. So first of all, you have to fill this 8.4 liter water that I already filled. After filling this one, now you have to put the foam. After putting foam, you have to check this that liquid is you can mix these liquids to make a mixture. After making mixture, now comes the turn to fit the CO2 cartridge. But before fitting the CO2 cartridge, make sure, this is the most important part and precaution, that before fitting a new CO2 cartridge, make sure that you put in the safety pin. First you put in the safety pin so that lever do not goes down and CO2 is not released by accident. You can see here it's 0.75 gram CO2 cartridge, which is for this one which we have on board. Maybe CO2 cartridge changes from different types and quantities, but here it is like this. So before fitting the cartridge, I have to put the safety pin so that you see this inside trigger lever, it doesn't get pushed by accident. So once you fill these two things, you will put everything back. Here I have removed the siphon tube for cleaning. Here I will show you. This is a siphon tube which you can see is attached here. I removed siphon tube and cleaned it, because sometimes this down area, this one gets stuck, have residues or have dust particles. So you can open this and again you have to clean and fit it back. So once this all finished, you can attach the siphon tube back. So now I am attaching the siphon tube. So once siphon tube is attached, my 9 liter foam and is my 8.5 liter water and this 0.54 mixture of foam is ready. You mix it and fit it back. The other thing that are needed during inspection is that you have to make sure there is one o-ring here, which is very important to maintain the pressure. So this o-ring doesn't get damaged and it's in good condition. So this is all that you have to know to understand how to make this system. So I hope you like the video and understand everything. Thank you.